Hi guys, welcome back to TipRanks. My name is Annika, and here at TipRanks, we love to hear what different stocks you're looking at and your opinions on the market sentiment. Earnings reports are incredibly important for investors, and on February 1st, PayPal is releasing their Q4 2022 results. So let's look at what to expect from them. And guys, before we jump into this video, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when the TipRanks channel releases a video. PayPal is an American multinational financial technology company, and they have their online payment system. They allow their users to make electronic transfers as an alternative to traditional paper methods such as checks and money orders. Now, the current price for PayPal Holdings, which has a ticker PYPL, has a price of $158.11. The analyst rating consensus is a strong buy, and the analyst price target is $249.28, which is a whopping 57.66% upside based on 34 Wall Street analysts offering 12-month price targets. PayPal Holdings had a tough time in 2021. They posted a miserable 19% annual loss. However, reasons for the decline are less onerous than they seem at first glance. For example, the stock gained an astronomical 116% in 2020, while proved the market wisdom that winners in 1 year become the next year's laggards. And this corresponds with the decline in the stock price throughout 2021 into 2022. Despite this, in their Q3 2021 results, they expected revenue to grow by 18% and end the year with 430 million active accounts. Their total payment volume is also growing by 26%, and they reported a net revenue in Q3 2021 of $6.18 billion, growing 13% on a spot and FX neutral basis. One of the reasons that the stock price declined so much so towards the end of 2021 is the Omicron variant. Although this variant impacted the stock price, it did not impact PayPal's performance so much so. This is because it was in combination with the new anti-COVID drugs, and financial transactions were booming across all business and leisure categories in the beginning of 2022, especially in the travel group. PayPal will then benefit from the widening spread between soaring interest rates and the sort of meager payout of its savings programs. So for a digital payments firm like PayPal, it's important to look at total website visits. This is a strong indicator of user involvement on PayPal's platform. The more people visit PayPal's website, the more money the corporation may generate through transaction fees, interchange fees, cash interest, and other different sources. So let's take a look at TipRanks' new tool, which is the website traffic function. This records monthly and quarterly website visits so that we can learn more about PayPal's performance ahead of Q4. The gray line indicates the year-over-year traffic, and the green line indicates the website traffic for PayPal. And looking at this data, PayPal's core platform revealed a clear upward trend, signaling a strong quarter ahead. So the graph you can see shows that the total estimated visits to PayPal.com grew during the quarter to be reported. More specifically, you can see that the total visits to PayPal.com increased by 10.35% sequentially to 1.8 billion. Taking a look at this tool, you can even look at PayPal subsidiaries such as Honey, Venmo, and Zoom and Braintree. They also have seen an increase in user visits on a sequential basis in Q4. More precisely, total projected visits to joinhoney.com, venmo.com, and zoom.com and Braintree payments have shown that it's increased by 24.5%, 3.4% respectively on a sequential basis. The total quarterly rise suggests robust transactional activity on PayPal's platform. Also, taking a look at PayPal's key metrics such as total payment volume, TPV, active customer accounts, and the total number of payment transactions may have improved in the fourth quarter, favorably boosting the company's revenue in the fourth quarter. But it's important to note that the total estimated visits to PayPal.com are down 1.93% year over year in the fourth quarter, which dampens the Q4 euphoria to some extent. However, this year over year drop should not be a reason for concern, as no sort of fundamental company-specific issues have been detected. So to conclude, the overall monthly user figures point to a high likelihood of significant revenue growth for PayPal in Q4. So it's likely that we see positive Q4 results based on these metrics. This is because customers are shifting their preferences to online payments ever since the pandemic. Perhaps the aftermath of the pandemic have changed consumer preferences permanently, and this could strongly benefit PayPal going forward, and particularly for their Q4 2021 results. In fact, analyst James Fotheringham from BMO Capital gave it a buy rating with a 224 price target, which is a 41.67% upside. And he said that we've upgraded PayPal on our valuation relative to our estimate of 21% plus annual organic revenue growth potential. The historical industry-wide function implies 34 times fair value. Tax loss selling is done and investors are focused on more normalized 2023 estimates for valuation. We believe payment stocks are set up constructively for this year. So just as a reminder, their Q4 2021 earnings results will be reported on February 1st. The company projects fourth quarter revenues between $6.85 billion and $6.95 billion, with a growth of between 12 and 14% at current spot rate. PayPal expects non-GAAP earnings of $1.12 per share. This reflects a 4% year-over-year growth. And like we saw, PayPal's product portfolio includes Honey, Venmo, Zoom, Braintree, and these are anticipated to get reflected in the fourth quarter results, as we saw the website traffic for these product subsidiaries had increased, and these strong monetization efforts of Venmo are also likely to have aided its adoption rate in this to-be reported quarter. We've also seen strengthening user engagement on the company's platform that we saw via the website traffic tool, and this was owed to the shift of customer preference towards contactless payments, as we also mentioned. So it seems like the outlook is positive. What do you guys think of PayPal? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And guys, if you made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when the TipRanks channel releases a video. Remember, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before you invest in anything. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!